Life with you is meaningful.
Life with you is exciting. Isa ba?
Isa pa? Life with you is peaceful.
Life with you is satisfying. Nagkita kami first time sa airport after over a year of long distance relationship. Inaantay ko yung day din na yun for several months. Even on that day itself, nung nagkatotoo na siya, para makikita mo na siya, syempre hindi mo maipaliwanag yung excitement. At the same time, kilala mo na siya, pero may excitement pa rin. Di ba may mga nagkakatuluyan na from in love at first sight? It's the same situation, pero may preview ka na of what you two could be together. So, when you finally saw each other, kaya mas naging real.
From Japan, lumipad ako ng Pilipinas. But going in the Philippines, it has so many steps. Tapos nung nakita na kita sa airport, ang weird kasi compact in one. First meeting natin, di ba? Hindi love at first sight kasi. Pero love at first sight din siya. Technically kasi, dun lang kita na-meet in person. So yun, lahat. That was, mix of emotions.
Gusto niya nakikita ko yung nasasaktan. I mean,
Stop!
Gusto mo,
Interesting din kasi, dami niyang, ticklish spots. Tapos, nadidiscover ko.
I got some troubles, but they won't last. I'm gonna lay right down here in the grass. And pretty soon all my troubles will pass. Cause I'm in shoo shoo shoo, shoo shoo shoo, shoo 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 shoo, Sugar Town.
Thank you for your consistency, patience, and for loving me and all of my imperfections. Ayun, I love you.
Yesterday it rained in Tennessee. I heard it also rained in Tallahassee. But not a drop fell on
huwag kang magsawang piliin ako araw-araw. Dahil ang love ay daily choice. I love you.
I love you too.
La la